Welcome back to the ICF Mountain House build. Today we're going to work on some rough plumbing. So we're going to try and get all the vents in and some of the rough pipe plumbed into the walls, and ideally get going on running the water line to the well house and the sewer line out to where the septic tank will be, so we can backfill. I'd like to be able to backfill in the next few days, so we're not worried about that ditch that's kind of around the basement. So Corey's going to be here in a few minutes, and we're just going to start running pipe. Toilet, shower drain, sink under that window. All right, they're getting ready to drill holes and run pipe.
Wiggle it off nice and easy. Then screw it back in. Right over here. Make sure you're straight and level when you screw it back in. Mac, I need two boards, good.
Any copy from the house. Biggest house.
So here's that, or big one.
Yeah.
You ain't cutting them stuff out for it.
No. Right? Hot? Cold.
What's up, bud?
Give me that back. Right here.
Thanks, sir. I'm mark on that wall right there. Behind the height. No.
Oh!
Yeah, that wall's behind me. Excuse me. No, that's not it. That's way too low. That's just where the center was. I'm talking about the height right here, Linda. Yeah. That right there.
Okay.
Alright, boys. Oh, we're all in the same spot here. Good. I need an 1.5 bit. Putting that drill for me, and a piece of 1.5 pipe cut. We end up on
It's been a crazy day. I meant to get more footage of the plumbing rough in, which mostly happened all day today, but I ended up having to go pick up windows and doors, and that was 3 trips and a lot of heavy lifting. Managed to get all of the windows except for the special shapes in the gable end, and we got all of our doors. So when I got back, most of the rough in plumbing was done. The only thing left really is a couple plates. I'll show you all that here in a second. And Monday we're going to run the water line to the well house, and we'll be ready to pressure test and get an inspection. So let's go see what they did. Okay, here's the kitchen, drain and supply lines. We're using white PEX and just Schedule 40 PVC. Kitchen sink. Here's a bathroom. So you come in the bathroom, there's a sink. And that's the drain system. Can't see it, there we go. So these metal plates, he needs to get a couple of these and come back and finish that out in a couple places. Like there, needs a plate. This is for commode. This is the shower. And this is upstairs drain for the upstairs bath. Comes down through there into the basement. And then over here we moved the washer dryer hookup, so this is where the washer dryer goes. Washer dryer. The box was going to be there, but then I forgot that's directly above the beam, so that's load bearing. Can't go down into the beam, so we moved it over here, which is okay because all of the inlets of the washing machine are on the left side. So that's our washing machine hookup, and the vent goes up and out. And let's go upstairs. We got to go get some shower headsets so we can hook this up, and the one upstairs, we're going to hook that up. At least get it roughed in so we can do the pressure test. Okay, upstairs bathroom. Let's see what we got going on here. This is where the pressure test will be done. So this is the sink for the upstairs bathroom, and then they ran the pipe here. And we just fill this whole thing with water and fill the entire system with water. Make sure it doesn't leak. And then they take that off. Toilet, shower, and the vent stack. So the vent goes out there and then ties into there. And the other vent is over here. And that goes down to the washing machine. And it's windy again. So let's go down to the basement and see what that spaghetti mess looks like. Oh, it's pretty dark in here, but this is the basement. So let's see, that's toilet, all this drain stuff, sewer stuff, ties. We're gonna go over to here, and we have clean outs everywhere. Come over to here. Oops. Focus. And then it's just gonna go down to there. That is the outlet to the septic. Hello. So everything, they managed to fit everything, nicely up under these joists. If when we finish the ceiling, we'll do a hanging ceiling. So each one of these blocks, each one of these blocks is 16 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those blocks. The top of that gives me an 8-foot ceiling. So I have that 16-inch space there for HVAC and plumbing and things like that. And We have enough fall from there, under the beam, over to there, and we're still within that 16-inch space. So we should be good to go. And this is a washing machine drain. And it'll come over here and tie in to there, and it'll all go there. Alright, what are we doing? Putting up nailing plates?
Yes. Putting up a couple nail plates.
Cool. This is the toy we need. Definitely want one of those. Even has the thumb on it. Gonna dig a water line from there down to those little stubbies. Nothing is ever easy.
I told y'all Tim came with us today. Y'all kept saying he didn't come today. Yep. Don't turn it no more. Okay. There you go.
Sewer stubbed out, so got the clean out, and we can backfill to that. Should be good.
Go off to the left just a little bit.
Does that got what you need in there?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Alright, we got our hose coming from the well to our test drop. This is where we fill it with water to test for the drain. And then the pressure gauge to test the supply lines. This inspector should be here sometime today. So we gotta get a water line run to the well.
Primo, be ready, it's getting full.
I hear it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that'll do.
I want you to stick that down to me in a minute, and we're gonna go slow with it so I don't get mud in here, okay? All right. Okay, bring it down slow. Come on. All right, hold it right there. Spin it. Spin it. Spin the pipe. I'll pick it back up just a smidge. Ah, damn, too much. Spin it. Spin it. All right, now back up just a smidge. That is the winner. Yay! I'll fit in the truck.
Okay, the plumbers went to lunch and we got everything set up for the test for the inspection. So this is the drain system. We fill the drain system completely with water, put a bottle on top, make sure that it doesn't lose water. When we first did this, we had a couple little leaks at the cleanouts, which apparently is pretty common. We got that fixed, we filled it back up, and it hasn't moved in about an hour, so I think our drain system is good. And then down here is a pressure gauge for the supply system, the supply lines. And I guess the test for this is it has to hold 100 pounds of pressure for at least 15 minutes. And that is way past 100, all the way pegged. And that has been there for at least an hour. So that should be good. We should pass inspection as soon as the inspector gets here. He'll look at that, walk around, look at all the joints, make sure they have purple glue on them. Probably come back and look at it 15 minutes later. And we should be good to go. Rough in will be clear. Putting some poly in here for power.
Come up here, Max.
Alright, well, we had the inspector, we called the inspector, and he said he would prefer that we fill up the drain system all the way to the roof, well, at least above the highest joint. So we extended that pipe. That's just a test pipe where we fill the water into, and that's full. It's ready for inspection. So he didn't like it that we had it only right there. I guess because there's vent joints and stuff above it. Typically he said they like it if you fill it the whole way to the roof, but no one's getting on the roof, so he was okay with us just going up to there. So that's what we did, and the whole supply system is still pressurized. It's holding steady. Rough plumbing is done, so we should be able to backfill, and I'll probably do that after we do the rough-in electrical. So I'm going to call the electrician and see what he has to say when he can get out here and what we got to do. So that'll be the next video, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.